You better watch out. You better not cry. And you better catch a full hour of your favorite holiday Nicktoons every Saturday and Sunday in December.
I need more milk.
Holiday Nicktoons are coming to town. Saturday and Sunday at 3, only on Nicktoons. Now back to more Nicktoons.
Please stand by. Station WXL34 will be up shortly. The following message is transmitted at the request of Cuyahoga County Office of Emergency Management. There has been an incident at the Cleveland Police Office headquarters. A mass shootout with police has been escalated, and if this situation gets any worse, civil authorities will issue a civil danger warning. At this time, all residents within 2 miles of the Cleveland Police Office headquarters must remain vigilant at this time. We have no report about who this guy is or was he last seen, but we do know he was driving a 2004 Honda Civic. License is plate 498421. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as this situation continues.